Now I'm shaking, drinking all this
No,
coffee.
papasyal kami oh.
These last
Ano?
few weeks have been exhausting.
Maglalakad-lakad kami. Nandun kami sa Evergreen. Ayan, hotel namin, Evergreen.
And there's one thing that I
Ayan,
need
iikot
from
kami.
you.
Lumabas kami. Kasi tignan namin yung pool, yung ano ron. Ganda oh. Park to park. Iikot kami guys. Ayan oh. Yun oh. Manalo oh. Diba? Iikot tayo. Punta natin yung maganda rin sa lugar sa Taiwan. 3 days tour. Second day namin ngayon. Ayan, iikot kami. Ayan, ganda sa park. Oh, ganda siya kanina. Spotlight pa lang. Ilaw-ilaw pa lang siya. Ngayon, oh, ilaw na siya. Buo na yung ilaw. Mamiss ka na sa ilaw niya. Ganda oh. Park siya, park. Para siya sa, ano sa atin? Sa park ng Manila Bay. Oh, wow. Wow, ganda oh. Diba? Ulitin natin ang ano, ang tour. Ayan o, ayan o, yung nyok. Ayan o, tapos may mga bike na maarkila. Diba? Ganda ng park dito. Linis, nakakatakot.
Ain't got much to do. Too old for my
nalo.
hometown. Went to bed at noon. Couldn't put my phone down. Scrolling patiently.
Galing na ilaw nyo.
It's all the same to me. Just faces on a screen. Yeah.
Diba?
I'm trying to
Ghost month pa naman ngayon. Ang August, Ghost month dito sa Taiwan. Ganda oh. Mga pasyalan ng mga ano, mga dalaga, saka mga binata. Wow, shit, oh, ganda oh. Oh, ha? Diba? Spotlight lang yan. Oh, yan ka pa. Masyal kami ng Dodong eh. Dodong, si Joel, at si Johnny. Yan, kanya-kanya kami kuha ng picture, video. Ang ganda oh. Sun! Wow! Ha? Ganda oh.
Waking when the sun's down, riding on these highs, waiting for the countdown. Walk these streets with me, doing decently. Just glad that I can breathe. Yeah, I'm trying to realize it's
Tourist spot dito sa Taiwan. Diba?
on your own.
Kanya-kanyang video yan.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee.
Ganda ng lugar, malinis. Oh, ha? Gumabas eh. Chinese eh. Chinese character. Pinatatama nila sa ano, tubig para ano, para nagkakaroon siya ng ano. Galing nga. Sa tubig pala tumatama sa fountain.
Couldn't put my phone down, scrolling patiently. It's all the same to me. Just faces on a screen. Yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright
lumabas kami ng hotel. Kasi napansin namin itong park nito, may ilaw. Try namin lumabas, sabi namin maganda. Kaya, goods naman. Okay naman pala. Diba? Nanalo guys, oh. Wow, galing.
And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come
Gumagalaw ba yung ano? Parang nahilo yata ako sa kinain natin ah. Puro baka kasi kinain ko. Layo pa na ipailoy niyan ano? Nando pa sa bridge yan no? Pero abot dito oh. Dito yan sa Taiwan. Chahi.
Waking when the sun's down, riding on these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, doing decently. Just glad that I can be, yeah. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination. And there's one thing that
Sarap pa ng hangin guys, on lamig. Wow, sarap ng hangin no. Went to bed at noon. Couldn't Taiwan.
put my phone down. Scrolling patiently. It's all the same to me. Just faces on a screen.
Hello guys.
Tuloy na hindi tayo makakapunta doon.
Hindi. Malayo na yun, kabilang bridge yun. Highway yun eh. Daanan na sasakyan yun eh.
On your
Mas maganda sana